Are you tired of searching for different tools across multiple websites? ToolsMystro is your ultimate all-in-one online toolkit, offering a seamless experience for everyday digital tasks. Whether you need to convert files, edit code, optimize images, or generate social media content, ToolsMystro provides a wide range of free and efficient tools to get the job done quickly. No installations or sign-ups required. With categories like conversion tools, developer tools, utility tools, social tools, media tools, and productivity tools, everything you need is just a click away. From converting PDFs to text, JSON to CSV, and extracting text from images to minifying code, formatting scripts, and encoding URLs, ToolsMystro simplifies complex processes with ease. Content creators can remove backgrounds, apply Instagram filters, optimize images, and generate social media posts effortlessly. Developers and professionals can boost their workflow using essential tools like Live Code Editor, Word Counter, QR Code Generator, and Time Tracker, ensuring productivity without switching between multiple platforms. With a user-friendly interface, fast processing, and accessibility from any device, ToolsMystro makes work more efficient than ever. Whether you're a student, freelancer, marketer, or programmer, this platform is designed to enhance your workflow and save time. Say goodbye to complicated software and hello to instant solutions, all for free at ToolsMystro.